The Scarlet Macaw is a large, colorful parrot native to Central and South America. Scarlet Macaws are known for their strong beaks, which they use to crack open hard nuts and seeds. They inhabit rainforests, woodlands, and savannas, often seen in pairs or small flocks. The blue and yellow macaw, also known as the blue and gold macaw. It is a large parrot native to South America. It is easily recognizable by its vibrant blue wings and tail, golden yellow underparts, and green forehead. The red and green macaw is the largest and most striking members of the parrot family. These macaws have a distinctive white facial patch lined with small red feathers. Green-winged macaws are native to the forests and woodlands of Central and South America, ranging from Panama to northern Argentina. Their diet mainly consists of seeds, nuts, fruits, and occasionally other plant material. The sun conure, also known as the sun parakeet. It is native to northeastern South America. It is renowned for its vibrant, colorful plumage. The combination of these colors gives the sun conure its distinctive sunny appearance. The plain parakeet is a small parrot native to Brazil. It has a short tail and a pale beak, and lacks the bright multicolored feathers seen in other parakeet species. Plain parakeets are typically found in forests, woodland areas, and urban regions where they can adapt to a variety of habitats. The gray parrot, also known as the African gray parrot. It is one of the most intelligent and well-known parrot species, native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa. Gray parrots are renowned for their remarkable intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. In the wild, gray parrots live in flocks and have a diet that includes seeds. The blue-headed parrot is a medium-sized parrot native to the tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America, ranging from Costa Rica to Bolivia and Brazil. Blue-headed parrots inhabit a variety of forested habitats, including rainforests, secondary forests, and savanna.